CMS development involves creating websites powered by platforms that let users add, edit, and manage content such as text, images, videos, blogs, and pages from a simple dashboard. At NN Corporation, we design CMS-based websites that combine clean design, strong functionality, and seamless user experience. One of the biggest advantages of CMS development is ease of use. Businesses can update content anytime without relying on developers, saving time and cost while maintaining complete control over their website. Security, performance, and scalability are core elements of our CMS solutions. NN Corporation ensures that CMS platforms are secure, fast-loading, mobile responsive, and optimized for search engines, supporting long-term digital growth. Types of CMS development: Open source CMS platforms such as WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal are highly flexible and cost-effective. NN Corporation customizes open source CMS solutions to meet specific business needs, offering scalability, plugin integration, and full design control. Custom CMS development: Custom CMS solutions are built from scratch for businesses with unique requirements. NN Corporation develops custom CMS platforms that provide tailored functionality, enhanced security, and complete control over content and workflows. E-commerce CMS platforms combine content management with online selling features. These systems allow businesses to manage products, orders, customers, and content in one place. NN Corporation develops e-commerce CMS solutions for smooth store management and growth. Headless CMS: A headless CMS separates content management from the website's front end, making it ideal for mobile apps, websites, and multiple digital platforms. NN Corporation implements headless CMS solutions for businesses that require flexibility and multi-channel content delivery. CMS development at NN Corporation also includes blog management, media handling, user roles, SEO tools, third-party integrations, and ongoing maintenance. These features help businesses keep their digital presence fresh and effective. Whether you are a startup or an established organization, NN Corporation delivers CMS solutions that grow with your business, making website management simple, secure, and efficient. In conclusion, CMS development empowers businesses to manage content independently while maintaining a professional online presence. With NN Corporation's CMS development services, your website becomes a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-manage digital asset. Ready to take control of your website? With CMS development from NN Corporation, managing your content has never been easier. Say goodbye to constant developer reliance. Update your text, images, and blogs anytime, all from a user-friendly dashboard. Plus, our CMS solutions are packed with unbeatable security, lightning-fast performance, and scalability for long-term growth. Whether you need a customizable open-source CMS like WordPress, a tailor-made solution, or even an e-commerce platform, we've got you covered. Plus, our cutting-edge headless CMS allows for seamless content delivery across all platforms. Join the digital revolution and let NN Corporation help your business thrive with powerful, flexible, and easy-to-manage CMS solutions. Your online presence deserves it. #CMS #web development #digital growth #NN Corporation